everyone, I'm Bianca Renee and you're watching Bianca Renee Today. And today I will not be reviewing a foundation for Foundation Friday, but I will be showing you how to get the foundation off of your beauty blenders and makeup sponges. So as you can see, I have some, whoa, they're falling all over the place. I have some very disgusting beauty blenders. Like, I'm guilty. I do not wash them as much as I should. It's probably why I'm breaking out. I'm just letting all the bacteria and oils just sit and build up on these sponges. But today I'm going to show you exactly how to clean them. I've tried a couple different ways. I've tried just normal hand soap. Doesn't do the job no matter what kind of cute container you put it in. I've tried baby shampoo. Also didn't work. But today I'm going to show you what actually works. What makes them look brand new. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start off with this beauty blender right here. This is probably the dirtiest one that I have. Like, it's just full of foundation. And I'm going to show you how I clean it just with some normal hand soap. Yes, it's in a pineapple container, and yes, it smells like pineapples. So now let me apply some soap. I just felt like no matter how much soap I applied, it would just not exactly get the job done. It does clean it a little bit, but not good enough. Now I'm going to show you how I use some baby shampoo. This is from the 99-cent store. I did not splurge on Johnson & Johnson, but let's see how it does. Better, but still not good enough. Now, the secret ingredient is just some Dial soap. You could use any bar of soap. This is literally from the 99-cent store. I got 2 of them for $1. Just your average bar of soap. And this baby is gonna get them clean. So what you're gonna do is just hold it under the water and scrub along the bar of soap. You wanna squeeze all that foundation out. And that is what you call a beautiful looking beauty blender. Let's keep on cleaning. Forget how pink these things are. Scrub da 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 da. Wow, that's bad. And that's how you clean your beauty blenders. Look at all of my beautiful beauty blenders. It's really as easy as that. Using a bar of soap has definitely been the best method for me. It really doesn't matter what kind of bar of soap you use. Feel free to try whatever you have at home. Don't spend a lot of money on this. It's supposed to be a quick, easy DIY, whatever you have at home.